and most importantly is to affirm that whatever we are doing in Nairobi, our business is to make sure that Nairobi and its environs stay safe, it's calm. I am cognizant with the fact that it's only for us to meet and strategize on how best we can do this so that Nairobi remains calm. Nairobi is a city that when we get it right in Nairobi, the entire country gets right. So we are here to also implement on the reform agenda. We will discuss the agendas that as a result of the Maraka report, and to make sure that we associate ourselves and align ourselves to the reforms. But more so is to actually assure people of Nairobi that their security is guaranteed and it's safe, so that socio-economic activities indeed are attained. And once we do that, it comes with a price, and the price is that citizens need to cooperate. They need to support the police so that we are able to meet the security challenges that we want to focus on. So basically that's what we are here today, and also to make sure that traffic arrangements, issues to do with magari, issues to do with robbery, issues to do with malpractices within the police are discussed in here today.